are going to see about the continuation of black fungus, and hope you are staying home and you are all safe. So let's get continue with the video. First, what are the other symptoms that occurs in black fungus? First is abnormal blood clotting or thrombosis of tissues along with skin injury and damage of or necrosis of dermal cells. Further, deterioration of respiratory functions with chest pain, excess fluid buildup in lungs, that is pleural effusion and coughing up blood or hemoptysis. What are the do's and don'ts for patients? Don'ts: self medicate, especially steroids, delay reporting symptoms of mucor, ignore medical advice. What to do if you have these symptoms? Consult your doctor immediately. Doctor will examine you clinically. If required, the doctor will take swabs from nose and test them for fungus. If the infection is strongly suspected or confirmed, you may need treatment with antifungal medications and surgery. Do's: give a history of diabetes to doctor, get sugar levels checked, watch for early signs of mucor listed above, maintain basic hygiene and cleanliness, follow medical advice, take complete course of treatment as followed by doctor. What do you do? What to do if you have these symptoms? Consult your doctor immediately. Doctor will examine you clinically. If required, the doctor will take swabs from nose and test them for fungus. If the infection is strongly suspected or confirmed, you may need treatment with antifungal medications and surgeries. How is mucormycosis treated? Once the diagnosis of mucormycosis is confirmed, then the immediate treatment strategy is to prescribe antifungal medications to be taken either orally if the infection is still minor, or administered via injection in more invasive cases to the patient. These powerful prescription drugs possess the ability to target the fungal specimens in the body and slow down their speed of spreading within the system, as well as completely curb their destructive activity. The major factor that increases the efficacy of mucormycosis treatment is an accurate, immediate diagnosis and providing urgent medical care by the team of specialists, including a microbiologist, internal medicine expert, neurologists, ENT specialist, ophthalmologist, dentist in maxillofacial procedures, plastic surgeon, and biochemist. This guarantees reduced damage to bodily organs. The Watts fungal infection completely, thereby averting grave complications and fatal outcomes. It is advised to examine blood glucose levels even after the initially corona positive patient with diabetes mellitus has tested negative for COVID-19, and seek medical care at once if there is sudden spike in blood sugar readings. Furthermore, medicines may be given to treat other pre-existing sicknesses such as diabetes to alleviate its associated symptoms. In circumstances where serious damage has occurred in bodily tissues, surgical procedures are performed to remove these fungal balls. Upon receiving all required to ensure mucormycosis fungal infection does not recur and thereby guarantee effective treatment, total recovery of the patient. How to treat mucormycosis or black fungus? Additionally, simple preventive measures go a long way in lowering the chances of acquiring mucormycosis post COVID-19 recovery, such as ensuring personal hygiene by bathing and scrubbing the body thoroughly, particularly after returning home from work, working out, or visiting neighbors, relatives, friends. Wearing masks and face shield when going to dirty, polluted environments such as construction sites. Making sure to don fully covered clothing of concealed shoes, long pants, long sleeve shirts, and gloves while coming in contact with soil, moss, manure, like in gardening activities. Hope you're all safe, and stay home, stay safe, and get vaccinated. Thank you all.